So it's common for retailers to want to give back to the community, and often customers contribute as well. From Shamrock sales to March of Dimes, we've all seen them around and probably even pitched in to help. In FastTrax, it's pretty painless to join in, so let's look at how. So you'll want to create a department for the donations to be tied to. We're going to make sure to flag that department with a couple of special attributes. Let's take a look. When creating the department, which we'll call ours Donations, we are going to make sure that the department is set as tax exempt. And then we're also going to make sure that it's not included in sales reporting. Now that we've created our department, we'll want to create a couple of buttons in the POS. First, we'll have a traditional Open Department button. Then we'll also have a new Charity button. This button is a round for charity and is generally placed on the subtotal screen. It's automatically going to calculate the value based on rounding up. So for instance, if the total is $3.19, the button value will read 81 cents. This allows the cashier to easily ask the customer if they'd like to donate the 81 cents to charity. So let's look at those buttons. We'll navigate to Maintenance and then Settings and Panels. From here, we'll choose the panel. We want to add this button to the subtotal. So I'm going to drop the button, give it a name. We'll add our button, and the button type is going to be Round for Charity. The only additional attribute would be to tie it to the newly created donation department. In addition to this button, we'd want a traditional Open Department button. So let's look at these buttons in action. In the point of sale, as we ring up a transaction, after we've added the item to the sale, as you can see, the charity donation button automatically calculates the amount to prompt the customer to donate. In this case, it's 81 cents. As we add other items to the sale, we can see that value change. As you can see now, the balance due is $4.25, and the donation is changed to 75 cents. If the customer chooses to donate, the cashier simply presses the button, and the 75 cents is added to the transaction. Your second Open Department button can be used at any time for any amount in any sale. Simply choose the amount the customer wishes to donate and press the donation button. So that's this FastTrax fact. Now get out there and start a charity drive. Help those that are struggling.